I'm looking this over, and I was going to put a vinyl sticker right there, but I didn't like the saying, and I'm not going to waste it on this. Is like our family one. So I decided I have some paint mixed up here, and I'm using the Winston Galleria white. The main reason I use this because it's really thick, and I'm hoping in one swipe when I do this that I won't have to go back over again, but I might have to, which will be really hard because I'm going to do swirls and stuff. So we'll see. Of course, if you do that, you could just wipe it off really quick if you get it really quick. Because this is not the right paintbrush. I found this one. I don't know where I got it from, but I have a big paintbrush thing. Let me know down in the comments if you liked it with the little white things or without. I'm not really sure if I 100% like them. I needed something, so I'm gonna sit and stare at it for a while and see. But alrighty, thank you for the nice year that you spent with me, and I hope 2023 is better for you all, everyone, the world. And have a great new year.